Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The real reason your oil filter gets dirty, and how to prevent it. What causes an oil filter to get dirty? Have you ever wondered why your oil filter gets clogged and dirty over time, despite regular maintenance? Understanding the factors that contribute to this common issue can help prolong your engine's life and optimize its performance. Oil filters play a crucial role in keeping your engine clean by trapping contaminants like dirt, debris, and metal particles. However, over time, these filters can get dirty due to various reasons. One of the primary culprits is the accumulation of engine sludge, which is a mixture of oil, dirt, and other particles that build up inside the engine. Additionally, environmental factors such as dusty or sandy conditions can accelerate the process of filter clogging. Extended time between oil changes, using low-quality oil, or driving in stop-and-go traffic can also contribute to a dirty oil filter. By understanding the causes behind a dirty oil filter, you can take proactive steps to prevent this issue and ensure your engine runs smoothly for years to come. In this video, we will look at the common causes of a dirty oil filter and provide practical tips on how to keep it clean and functioning optimally. What is an oil filter and its importance? Oil filters may seem like small components in an engine, but they play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation of your vehicle. The function of an oil filter is simple yet vital. It serves to filter out contaminants from the engine oil, preventing them from circulating and causing damage. By capturing particles such as dirt, metal fragments, and other debris, the oil filter helps maintain clean oil, which is essential for proper lubrication of the engine's moving parts. Function of an oil filter. The primary function of an oil filter is to remove impurities from the engine oil as it circulates through the system. As the oil flows through the filter, it passes through a porous media that traps particles and prevents them from reaching critical engine components. Without an oil filter, these contaminants could cause friction, wear, and damage to the engine over time. By effectively filtering out these harmful particles, the oil filter helps ensure that the engine receives clean oil for optimal performance and longevity. Significance of oil filter maintenance. Maintaining a clean oil filter is essential for the overall health and efficiency of your engine. Over time, the filter can become clogged with debris, reducing its effectiveness in filtering out contaminants. A clogged oil filter can lead to restricted oil flow, increased wear on engine parts, and decreased lubrication. Regularly checking and replacing the oil filter as part of your vehicle maintenance routine is crucial to prevent these issues and extend the life of your engine. By keeping the oil filter clean and well maintained, you can ensure that your engine continues to run smoothly and efficiently. Common contaminants that dirty an oil filter. Have you ever wondered what causes an oil filter to get dirty? Let's dive into the common contaminants that can affect the performance of your oil filter. Dirt and debris. Imagine your engine working hard, sucking in air, and generating power for your vehicle. In this process, tiny particles of dirt and debris sneak their way into the engine oil. These contaminants can be as small as grains of sand but can wreak havoc when they accumulate in the oil filter. The oil filter's job is to catch these particles, preventing them from circulating back into the engine and causing damage. Metal particles. As your engine runs, metal parts rub against each other, leading to wear and tear. These metal particles can find their way into the engine oil, especially in older engines or those that haven't been well maintained. Over time, these metal shavings can build up, clogging the oil filter and reducing its effectiveness. This not only impacts engine performance but can also cause long-term damage if left unchecked. Moisture and condensation. Moisture and condensation are often overlooked but can be significant culprits in dirtying an oil filter. When water mixes with oil, it creates a sludgy mixture that can contaminate the oil and restrict the flow through the filter. Moisture can enter the engine through a variety of ways, such as through the air intake or a coolant leak. Over time, this moisture can lead to filter blockages and reduce the efficiency of the oil filter. Understanding these common contaminants that dirty an oil filter can help you take proactive steps to maintain your engine's health. Regular oil changes and using quality oil filters can go a long way in keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Driving habits and conditions that impact oil filter cleanliness. When it comes to the cleanliness of your oil filter, various driving habits and conditions play a crucial role in determining how quickly it gets dirty. Let's delve into some common factors that can affect the cleanliness of your oil filter. Short trips and stop-start driving. Frequent short trips and stop-start driving are common culprits behind a dirty oil filter. When you take short trips, especially in cold weather, your engine doesn't reach its optimal operating temperature. This can lead to increased condensation and fuel contamination in the oil, causing the filter to get dirty quickly. Similarly, constant stop-start driving in traffic jams or urban areas doesn't allow the engine to run smoothly, leading to incomplete combustion and the accumulation of more contaminants in the oil. Thanks for tuning in to part 1 of our series. We've learned a lot about why oil filters get dirty and how to prevent it. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore more strategies for maintaining your engine's health. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.